Hi, this is Greg Schmaus. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to explore the direct connection between our diet and our mental health. Levels of anxiety and depression are at an all-time high. And what's also at an all-time high are all of the processed foods we're consuming. I don't think it's a coincidence. And there's a lot of research showing that it's not. So today we're going to explore 3 direct connections between our diet and our mental health. The first is blood sugar management. Most people are eating way too many processed carbohydrates and sugar, and this creates this blood sugar roller coaster that we're on throughout the day. And remember, being low blood sugar is very stressful to the body, but unfortunately most people don't acknowledge that they're low blood sugar, so they perceive the stress to be coming from outside of them, leading to a lot of anxiety, a lot of depression, a lot of mood swings. You've heard the term hangry, which is hungry and angry. So you can see how your blood sugar directly affects your mood and emotional state. So to balance your blood sugar, remember PFF, protein, fat, and fiber. Protein, fat, and fiber will keep your blood sugar stable as we limit the consumption of processed carbs and sugar. The second connection between our diet and mental health is inflammation. There's a lot of research showing that depression is simply a result of chronic inflammation and neural inflammation. Remember, anytime you cause inflammation in the gut, you cause gut permeability. And a lot of times the gut lining and the blood-brain barrier mirror each other. So when you cause a leaky gut, you also create a leaky brain, because the undigested food particles make it into the bloodstream. The immune system's on high alert. You have this huge inflammatory response, and the blood-brain barrier breaks down, causing a lot of neural inflammation and symptoms of depression. So to lower inflammation, remember, eat whole, organic, unprocessed foods and limit the consumption of wheat, dairy, sugar, industrial seed oils, a lot of these culprits that cause a lot of chronic inflammation. The third connection that we're gonna make between our diet and our mental health is the gut microbiome. Remember, the gut is really the home of your health, and so much of our mental emotional challenges are a result of poor gut health. 80% of the serotonin that's produced in your body is actually produced by your gut microbiome, not your brain. And most of the medications being used for a lot of the mental health challenges, such as anxiety, depression, OCD, a lot of these challenges, they're SSRIs, which work on the serotonin levels of the brain. But most people are not aware that most of your serotonin is made by your gut bacteria. So when the gut bacteria are disrupted, what happens is your neurotransmitter production, your hormone production, all disrupted. So we really have to take care of the gut microbiome first and foremost. In order to do this, we want to eat a wide variety of plant foods. We want to rotate our foods as much as possible. We want to take probiotics as needed and limit the consumption of antibiotics or foods that are sprayed with chemicals and pesticides, because these wipe out your microbiome. We want to build the sense of biodiversity in the gut, and this is how we do that. So in summary, number 1, manage your blood sugar. Protein, fat, and fiber. Number 2, reduce inflammation, eliminating those 4 culprits of wheat, dairy, processed sugar, and industrial seed oils. And then care for the microbiome with a wide variety of plant foods, rotating your foods, getting a nice biodiversity in the gut, reducing inflammation, everything we talked about, reducing the consumption of processed carbs and sugar, and really taking probiotics as needed, and only taking antibiotics in real dire situations. If you enjoyed this video, click that like button, and I invite you to share this video with one person that you feel may really benefit from this content. And I look forward to sharing more with you soon. Bye-bye.